Today, we're going to learn some very intro programming code. Okay, we're going to use something called Jeroo to go through some intro coding skills. Now, if you'll see the link for the Jeroo program running, you're going to see a short little video of whenever we click play, you'll see that whenever we run this program, the Jeroo is this little blue arrow that actually goes through the program and does what you tell it to do. So it's starting at the top left, it's picking a flower, it's throwing it on these nets so that it can pass through, and then it's going up in this little house at the top right corner. All right, so this is Jeroo, and that shows the program running. Now, hybrids, I want y'all to open up the Introduction to Jeroo code using Jeroo. That is introduction. This video here, what I did is I took the PowerPoint, I went ahead and walked through the PowerPoint. I didn't actually say anything, but it's the text coming in so you can see what it is I'm going to be talking about with the class. I want you to follow along with this. You can pause as needed. And as you follow along with that, you are going to be using the Introduction to Jeroo code notes, and out to the side, there's words in boxes, okay? As you're watching the PowerPoint, whatever should go in the blank, you're going to take the correct code out to the side and drag it to the correct line to complete the notes, all right? So you have 4 pages of notes that you're going to do that with, following along with the PowerPoint. You'll actually save this and upload it under assignments. All right, so that's going to be step 3. Now, step 4, you're going to get familiar with the Jeroo environment by completing Jeroo Letter Island. Jeroo Letter Island, here's the instructions. You're basically going to create an island in Jeroo in the shape of your initials. You have to do at least one initial. When you get finished creating your island, you're going to save it as letter island 1, making sure to save it on the island side of Jeroo. You're going to decorate your island with nets and flowers, and this is just to get you familiar with kind of how the island is set up and what you can do. To get to Jeroo, I have a link here to take you to the website. Here is our Jeroo environment. We are not going to mess with right now the left side of Jeroo, which is where we actually code. We're not doing anything with that right now. All we're worried about is the right side, which is this island. To create the stuff in the island, if you'll remember from the PowerPoint, we can go to Island Edit if we want to do water, flowers, or nets. So for example, if I were to create my L, which I have an easy letter, ha ha ha, I would go to water. I can click individually, or I can click and hold down to drag. So I may go ahead and create my L shape, making sure that the inside of the island has land. The outside is going to be completely water. So as I go through here, I'm just dragging to delete all of the land outside of my island. Now, if you accidentally delete one, oops, I can go back to Island Edit and choose Grass to put the grass back. So as I go through and I get rid of all the land, All right, you can imagine I've gotten rid of all of this, okay? Actually, I haven't, but let's pretend I have. So that's what you'll do, get rid of all that land. All right, now what you'll be left with is your letter. Now you want to add flowers and nets. Do whatever you want. Make it cute, decorate it like you want, whatever style. Add some nets. Okay, so there's my L. Now, of course, I'd get rid of the grass at the bottom. My island is finished. So on my island side, make sure that you click Island File, Save. We do not want to save on the left side of the screen where it says Source File. That's where we'll save our code when we start learning how to do it. So under Island File, click Save. Give your island your name, letter island 1, click Save, and it's going to download it to your drive. You should be able to, on the directions, it says submit a screenshot of your island. So I'm going to use my screenshot that I showed you the other day. I'm going to screenshot my initial that I created, and that's what you're going to upload to me. But make sure you save it because you're going to need this file later.